do you do when your gas finish? Like, how do you cook? What do you do? Which is dinner for tonight, yeah.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Ìgbà ọdún kan o. Many happy returns of the day. Long life and prosperity. Hip hip hip, hooray! Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀.
Pàtí tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Pàtí tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Pàtí tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o.
Guys, the gas is finished, so there's nothing to cook anymore. The rice is not done, my plantain is not done. I've not even grind the pepper. So obviously, yeah, the pepper. Obviously, there is nothing to cook. Like the other cylinder, there's no gas inside. So my husband said maybe he's going to go out and see if he can get gas today, because today is Sunday and this area people don't really open on time. It's even like 2 already, so I think they should be open, but who knows. But anyways, yeah, I'm so hungry, like so hungry. I've not eaten today, so God, but yeah, let me just continue grinding the pepper and everything, so that who knows, maybe they'll bring, maybe my husband will find gas shower to continue this cooking. What do you do when your gas finish? Like, how do you cook? What do you do? Is it like you end the cooking, or you think of something else. Like if it's not I've started, come on, we don't go eat again. No. Like, but the rest is almost half done. There's nothing I can do to this. I have to continue. So we have to look for gas. 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 Gas. Yeah. See, guys, I'm so hungry. I'm just trying to hide the fact that I'm very, very hungry at this point. I like how I'm looking now. Okay. I just got back from the market not quite long. So currently we are using generator, and I think the noise is a bit disturbing this video. But guys, I just want to tell you that I want to do meal prep. It's almost 7 p.m. and I'll just try and do whatever I can cook for now because it's currently late. I slept after the market errand. I slept off, so the market vlog will be up already. I'll put the link here for you to check. So I slept off and now I have to cook now. So guys, I got okra. Let me show you. So if you check the other markets, the market area I was talking about, so the okra I got for 800. I was thinking that thinking that God I don't even know how to put that. God blessed me. Yeah, look at it. All these are not good. All these are not good. Like, it's just half of the okra that were good. And I don't even know how to check. Like, I don't know how to check good okra. So sometimes when you think you are buying things in large quantities, like, oh, it's so cheap, you might be doing yourself. I think that's so I just want to meal prep today. It's a bit dark. It's a little bit okay. So I just want to meal prep today. Like, I've started, so I'll cook like a lot of stew. But guys, I just remember the gas finished yesterday, right? Which was Sunday. And guys, I don't remember to refill the gas, so my batch cooking might not really work because I just have one burner, that small one, to continue my cooking. This one cannot work, so that means we cannot even batch cook today. Yes, so let's see what I can cook for now.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. I can get caught, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, go away.
So guys, these are everything I cooked, and this is like almost 10. I'm not so sure, but I started around to 7 and it's almost 10 now, so it's like, let's say 4 hours. So guys, these are what I cooked for, I think 4 hours or so. So yeah, okra, efo, ata, ikuru, ewedu, iyobe. This thing is so peppery. And this one is atashisha. I just like, how will I put it? Like I just reduced water, like in Yoruba they call it mobo. I don't know how to put that, but yeah. So these are everything I did. And semotsu as well, which is dinner for tonight. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm done cooking, and guys, I'm so dirty right now. And I'm tired and I'm hungry. And the point is, I don't feel like eating any of this food. I don't even cook any food, it's just stew. So I don't know what I'm going to eat tonight yet. It's almost, this is almost, okay, this is 10:10. Wow, that's the perfect time. It's 10:10 already. Okay. Oh, this one is saying 10:06. But over there it's showing 10:10. Yeah, so tired. I have to go and clean up and look responsible and call it a day. I'm so tired actually. I don't know if I'll continue this vlog tomorrow, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, that's my meal prep. I'm so hungry and tired and dirty. Hungry, tired and dirty. That's my name right now. Yeah.